Okay, we have a different type of problem. I'm going to read it. Jake invested $7,500, compounded monthly at a 6% interest rate. How much money will he have after 5 years? So this is a different type of problem because now we are compounded monthly. This is no longer simple interest. For this, we're going to use the formula A equals P times 1 plus R divided by N raised to the NT power. And now in this case, when we're not doing simple interest, like I said, we're compounded monthly. Now, our N value is going to be how many times that we compound in a year. And if we compound monthly, that means that we compound 12 times a year. So N will be equal to 12. T will be still how many years? So if I have 5 years, T equals 5. My P is my investment, $7,500, right? That's my principal. And my R is still my percentage rate, so R equals 0.06. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your calculator. Thanks. I've got it all set up here, and the order that you do this is extremely important. So very first thing I'm going to do is do the exponent here. So I'm going to do 12 times 5 first. So here's my calculator. I can do it in my head or I can do it on the calculator. I get 60. So I'm going to make a note that my new problem, I have the exponent here of 60. So I've got my A equals 7,500 times 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the 60th power here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is 0.06 divided by 12. All right, I'm going to do that in my calculator. 0.06 divided by 12. I get 0.005. Sometimes these numbers are not so neat, so keep that in your calculator there. I'm going to make note that it's 0.005, but what am I going to do now? I'm going to do the 1 plus the next part. So leave it in your calculator, hit plus, so it says answer plus 1. Now it's going to be 1.005. All right, next thing I'm going to do is raise that to the 60th power. So at this point, let me catch up here. I've got 7,500 times 1.005 to the 60th power. So that 1.005, you're going to take that to the 60th power next. Again, very important, the order that you do this. So that little caret on your calculator, let me go back. This is what you hit to raise. I have 1.005. Hit the caret, that's going to raise it to the 60th power. Hit enter, and you're going to get that value there. And it's important that you leave that in your calculator. Do not round it, okay? So my 1.005 to the 60th power is this 1.34885 ... right? Take that, multiply that by your 7,500 here. All right, so leave it in your calculator. And I'm trying to show the whole thing here. Leave it in your calculator, just hit multiply, okay? So now I've got answer times my 7,500. So 7,500, all right? And now I have my final answer. Very important that you do not round in this process. You are gonna do this whole problem and round at the very end. So my final answer is gonna be this. 10116 now I'm rounding because this is money. I'm going to round to the 100th. So 3.376 is going to round to 38. All right, so that's really important. I wanted to make this video so that you actually can review back and look at how to do this in your calculator. All right, thanks.